What's up, folks? HVAC Repair Guy here, and today we're diving into a showdown between two heavyweights in the furnace game, Carrier and Daikin. Both brands are solid, but when you're investing your hard-earned cash, you want to know what you're getting. Let's break down the specs, from the top-tier models to the more budget-friendly options. At the top of the line, we have the modulating furnaces, the gold standard for comfort and efficiency. Carrier's Infinity 98 Model 59M-N7 boasts an impressive 98.5% AFUE, using green speed intelligence for precise heat modulation. It's a true variable speed furnace that pairs perfectly with the Infinity Smart thermostat. On the flip side, Daikin's DM97MC is also a fully modulating unit, with efficiency ratings up to 97.0% AFUE. Often marketed as 98%. They're neck and neck in technology, but Carrier has a slight edge in pure efficiency. Now, let's talk mid-range. Here we see a shift to two-stage heating, a big upgrade from single-stage furnaces. Carrier's 59TN6 and 59TP6 offer efficiencies of 96.7% and 96.5% AFUE, with the 59TN6 featuring a variable speed blower for better humidity control. Daikin counters with the DM96VC and DM96VE, with the DM96VC hitting 96.0% AFUE and the DM96VE offering a multi-speed ECM blower, still efficient but a step down. If you're looking for entry-level options, both brands have reliable 80% AFUE models like the Carrier 58SC and Daikin DM80VE. Now, let's discuss warranties. Daikin really shines here with a 12-year limited parts warranty compared to Carrier's 10 years. Both brands offer a lifetime limited heat exchanger warranty, but Daikin goes further with a 12-year unit replacement warranty on their premium models. That means if the heat exchanger fails, Daikin replaces the entire unit, giving you peace of mind. So, which furnace is better? If you're after the highest efficiency, Carrier's 59MN7 takes the crown with its 98.5% AFUE. But if long-term security is your priority, Daikin's 12-year unit replacement warranty is hard to beat. Ultimately, the real winner is the quality of the installation. Find a great local contractor to ensure you get the best out of whichever brand you choose. Stay warm out there.